Welcome to Form 1 Mathematics, Topic 1, which is Natural Numbers, Lesson 2. In Lesson 1, we looked at place value of digits in a number and rounding off of numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, millions, and billions. In this lesson, we are going to cover even, odd, and prime numbers, which will enable you as a learner to classify natural numbers as even, odd, or prime number. Let us start with even number. And an even number is a number which can be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. And this number ends with digits such as 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. For example, if we take a number like 24, which ends with digit 4, and we divide it by 2 to test if it is an even number, we'll have 24 divided by 2, which is 1 because of 2. Subtracting gives us 0, 4, then 2 because of 4, and the remainder is 0. So 24 is an even number. If we take another number like 48, which ends with 8, we check if it is an even number. We divide it by 2. We'll have 2 because of 4. When we subtract, we'll have 0. Then we drop 8. We have 4 because of 8. 0 is the remainder. So yes, 48 is also an even number. Now if we look at odd number, which is an opposite of even number, it is any number that when divided by 2 gives a remainder, and this number ends with the following digits: 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. For example, if we take a number to check if it is an odd number, if we take a number 8, 7, it ends with a digit 7. So we divide it by 2. We expect to get a remainder because this is odd number. So we divide by 2. This is 4. We get 8. When you subtract, we'll have 7. 3 times 2 have 6, and a remainder of 1. Yes, 8, 7 is an odd number. You can pick any number ending with either of these digits, and you divide it by 2, and you'll be sure to get a remainder, and that one will tell you that that number is an odd number. Lastly, we are going to look at the prime numbers, and for you to know that a number is a prime number, you will realize that that number has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. For example, if we take a number like 7, we check if it is a prime number, you'll realize that 7 can only divide itself. There is no other number which 7 can divide except itself to get 1, and 1 to get 7 itself. So this one becomes a prime number. It is also important to note that 1 itself is not a prime number. So 1 is not a prime number. Note that 1 is not a prime number. This is because it has only one factor, that is 1. And from the definition of prime numbers, we've said that it must have two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Let's work out this example. We are told that all the prime numbers less than 10 are arranged in descending order to form a number. Part A, solution. Part A, we are told to write the number formed. It is good to list all the prime numbers which are less than 10 first, so that we can arrange them and know the number which will be formed. So we've already said that 1 is not a prime number, so we start with 2, followed by 3, we have 5 and 7. These are the prime numbers which are less than 10. We are told that they are arranged in descending order, which means that we start from the largest to the smallest. That is 7, 5, 3, 2. So the number formed is 7, 5, 3, 2. Part B, we are expected to get the total value of the second digit. In this number, the first digit is 7, the second is 5. Again, from lesson 1, we learned how to get the total value of a given digit. First, we need to know the place values of these digits. So we have 7, 5, 3, and 2. 2 is in ones, 3 is in tens, 5 in hundreds, and 7 is in thousands. So to get the total value of digit 5, take 5 multiplied by its place value, which is 100, and this one gives us 500. Part C of the question, we are supposed to write the number formed in words. That was also covered in lesson 1, and we are supposed to draw a table of the value, the place value chart. Here we will have thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Our number is 7, 5, 3, 2. So this is 7, 5, 3, and 2. So to write this number in words, we'll have 7,000 because it is in thousands, 500, and 32. That is it for lesson 2. Let us meet for lesson 3.